Pato Guisado, Dominican braised duck. It's the pollo guisado you grew up on, but somebody gave it a raise. Let me show you. Everybody makes pollo guisado. Duck is where the magic is, because duck brings its own fat, and that fat carries the sazon in a way chicken could only dream about. I started with a whole Peking duck, about 5.5 pounds, cut into pieces. Neck, head, feet, and backbone go in a bag for stock, because in a Dominican kitchen, nothing gets wasted. Then the classic clean. Juice of 1 lime, a tablespoon of white vinegar, rub it in, 5 minutes, rinse and pat it really dry. Wet skin steams, dry skin browns. For the sazon, 8 cloves of garlic went into the pilon with 1 tablespoon of adobo and 2 teaspoons of Dominican oregano, mashed into a paste. That paste goes on the duck with a packet of sazon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of black pepper, salt, and 1/3 of a cup of bitter orange. Fresh naranja agria is hard to find around here, so I used the Goya bitter orange marinade, and it did the job. Marinate 1 hour minimum, overnight if you have patience. I know some of you don't. Now the step that makes or breaks this dish, rendering. Duck pieces skin side down in a cold Dutch oven, medium heat, 12 to 15 minutes until the skin is golden and there's a pool of clear duck fat. Pour that off and save it. That's not grease, that's liquid gold, and it's what the tostones fry in later. Next, burn sugar, the most Dominican move in this recipe. 2 tablespoons of sugar into the hot pot with a little duck fat, and don't touch it until it turns deep mahogany, dark amber, not black. Black isn't caramel, that's regret. Turn the duck in it until every piece is stained that deep reddish brown. That color is the signature. Sofrito time. 1 red onion, 1 green bell pepper, half a red and half a yellow, into 2 tablespoons of duck fat for 5 or 6 minutes. Then 4 tablespoons of tomato paste in the middle. Let it darken. Then stir in 2/3 of a cup of tomato sauce, 1/3 of a cup of olives, a tablespoon and a half of capers, cilantro, and 2 bay leaves. Duck back in, skin side up. Stock until it comes halfway up the pieces. Halfway. This is a braise, not a pool party. Lid on, heat low, 2 hours. And while it cooks, here's your mini soul snack. That duck needs 2 hours to become what it's supposed to be. So stop lifting the lid on your own life every 5 minutes, asking if you're done yet. The real transformation happens low and slow. Let it cook. 2 hours later, fork tender, falling off the bone. Duck throws off a lot of fat, so I poured the sauce through a fat separator, added that fat to the liquid gold jar, and put the clean silky sauce back in the pot. 2 minutes, and it's the difference between rich and greasy. Serve it over a mountain of white rice with tostones fried in that duck fat. My husband took 1 bite and went quiet. That's how you know. Full written recipe with every measurement is at kelvinskitchen.com. Link in the description. Hit subscribe. Tell me in the comments if your family ever cooked duck, and I'll see you in the next one. Buen provecho.